Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Pydana collection locket kit. Now, this is not the first time that I have used this brand. I've actually been using this brand close to a year now. But I decided to do a video just so I can showcase some smaller black-owned companies that people are not really even speaking about like that. Now, I'm not saying that she's not hyped up, but she's not hyped up how she's supposed to be hyped up, if you get what I'm saying. But anywho, I'll be reviewing the Pydana collection Avocado Herbal Silk Leave-In Conditioner, which is this one. I also have the Luscious LOCS Herbal Silk Hair Oil with Argan, which is this little one. And then I also have the Marula and Cupuacu. I don't know what the hell it's saying that, but I'll put it right here. Alright? Herbal Silk 3-in-1 Intensive Moisturizer. Now this, y'all, just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I section off my hair. I'll wash my hair out. I'm going to have the front section and then I'll have the back section. So I did deep condition with the Avocado and Pydana Herbal Silk Deep Moisture Treatment on camera just to save some time. So the first thing I'll go in with, you know what, first of all, let me part my hair because I want to actually part it. Alright, so just working with the back section. Just going to finger detangle. I'm going to go with my leave-in first. So it's going to be the Avocado Leave-In Conditioner. I'm going to do a quick style for work with my favorite brush I love to use. Y'all see that definition? Look how defined. It's not even no gel. This is super defined, super moisturized. Look at that. Can't ask for anything better than that. Let me tie this so I see if I can see. My hair feels like butter. Butter. Anywho, so let me zoom back out because I feel like y'all all up in my personal space. Okay, so let's push it back. So I have this section right here. I try to finger detangle as I go, just so I can make sure I don't have any knots or anything like that. Now let's go ahead and add the oil. And I'm only adding a little bit of the oil because honestly speaking, like I said before, this line is so moisturizing. I'm just using the oil to seal everything in, and the oil smells so luscious. That's why she named it Luscious. So now we're going to go in with the Marula and the Cupuacu. Oh, you know what I mean, eh? Just ease me up on the pronunciation, eh? But yeah, I'm going to go in with the 3-in-1 Intensive Moisturizer, and you see how it says intensive. Y'all. Now I am heavy-handed because I do intend on having this style last me for a while. I'm going to be working the next 3 days. So I just want to make sure my hair is like butter. I want it to be nice and moisturized. Like, can you see that? Oh my god. Look at that definition. And like I said, it's not even any gel applied to my hair. I just wanted to jump on here real fast and just give you guys like a breakdown of the product line. So normally the product is like around $45, $46, but she always run a special on her page. So I know right now it's like $35, and she always have like coupon codes and sales going on, so it's very affordable, and you're getting 3 moisturizing products, okay? And that 3-in-1 moisturizer I was telling you guys about, it has avocado in it. So I don't know how long you guys have been following me for, but my hair loves avocado. Like, avocado is great for hair growth. It strengthens and moisturizes dry, damaged, brittle hair. So it prevents breakage. It's overall like so healthy for your scalp and your hair. It's so beneficial. It also has like omega-3, 6, and 9 rich oils. Like, guys, I can't speak enough about these products. They're affordable. It's black owned. We need to be supporting our black owned businesses. But I digress. I'm gonna go ahead and 2-strand twist each side portion of my hair. Off camera, I'm gonna put the top section into 2 buns, and I'm gonna do the LOC method, and then you guys see me on my scalp on camera. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. I just simply swooped back my edges because, you know, I'm not a fan of the whole baby hair thing. And on top of that, you know, I'm losing hair like a mother effer, so I don't try to do nothing too much with my baby hairs. So I just slicked it back. I put this little thingamajig I found at the beauty supply store. I am going to sit underneath my hooded dryer for probably about an hour, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final results. Hey y'all, so I'm back. My hair is fully dried. I did fall asleep on y'all, but I'm woke now. These are the final results. I am keeping this style in for at least for the next 5 to 7 days because I know that my hair is going to stay moisturized. These products are bomb together, okay? Now, if you do have a finer texture hair, I would suggest you just use the Herbal Leave-In Conditioner, which is this one. But for me, I did the LCO method in certain sections, and for the rest of my hair, I did the LOC method. If you're not sure what LCO or LOC is, the L is for leave-in or liquid, the O is for oil, or the C is for cream, and you get the rest, okay? So it depends on my hair. In the middle section of my hair, I do the LCO method because it's a little bit of a thicker texture and it's coarser. For the rest of my hair, I do the LOC method. I use the Luscious LOCS oil as a sealant to seal in all that moisture. Again, all these products can be found online. I'll make sure and leave all her links below. But as always, guys, I thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay blessed, stay prayed up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, my loves. Watching our every move, think someday